Use traditional mops for heavy soil and large open areas, and microfiber flat mops for quick detail work and frequent touch-ups. Microfiber flat mops excel on smooth office floors when you need faster drying times and better soil pickup with less chemical use. For small spaces like cubicles, conference room edges, and high-traffic walkways that require frequent cleanup, do a two-pass method. First, dust mop with a dry microfiber pad. Then follow with a damp microfiber pad lightly sprayed with a neutral cleaner. For large open areas such as lobbies and long corridors, use a wrung traditional string or loop mop that holds more solution and withstands heavier scrubbing without needing constant pad changes. Choose a clam jaw style handle or a dual locking pole for both mop types because it gives better leverage and reduces wrist strain when applying pressure or wringing. Replace microfiber pads daily or when visibly soiled and launder them on a hot water cycle without fabric softener to preserve electrostatic properties. Calibrate chemical dilution daily and record tank levels so dwell time and residue are consistent across shifts. Common mistakes include overusing traditional mops on small sections, which wastes solution and lengthens drying times. Switch to microfiber and spray sparingly to cut drying time. Another frequent issue is failing to maintain mop heads, leading to cross-contamination. Establish a clear schedule for pad replacement and laundering, and store clean heads separately from dirty ones. Third is using poorly designed handles that cause worker fatigue and inconsistent pressure. Standardize on clam jaw or ratchet-style poles and train staff on body mechanics for even passes. BigHomeProjects.com connects this guidance to practical hiring and peer help. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find jobs while offering an active discussion community where cleaners and managers can share tips and local recommendations.